Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get started on Wix. First, you'll want to create your free account. This is a quick process, taking less than 1 minute, using your email address or a social media login. Once registered, Wix will ask you a few simple questions about the type of website you want to build, like whether it's for a business or a personal blog. This helps tailor your initial experience and guides you toward the best tools for your project. Next, you'll choose your creation method, the Wix ADI or the Wix editor. The ADI, or Artificial Design Intelligence, is perfect if you want a website up and running in just a few minutes. It asks you questions and generates a personalized site. On the other hand, the Wix editor gives you full creative freedom. You can drag and drop elements, customize every detail, and truly make the site your own, offering hundreds of templates to start from. Once you've chosen your path, it's time to design. If you're using the editor, you'll pick from over 800 professionally designed templates. Then, you can easily customize every aspect, from fonts and colors to images and videos. Add your unique content, ensuring your message is clear. Don't forget to include crucial pages like an About Us section and a contact page, making your site comprehensive and user-friendly. Finally, it's time to publish your masterpiece. Before going live, connect a custom domain name, which typically costs around $12 to $15 annually, to give your site a professional touch. Take a moment to preview your entire site on both desktop and mobile to ensure everything looks perfect. Once you're satisfied, hit that Publish button. You can also explore the Wix app market for hundreds of tools to enhance your site's capabilities, from booking systems to e-commerce features.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.